The different types of shipping and receiving. Businesses often rely on shipping and receiving for all their products, materials, and supplies. But when it comes to shipping and receiving, there are several different types of shipping methods available to get items from point A to point B. Here's a quick overview of the most common shipping and receiving methods. Ground shipping. This is the most popular and least expensive shipping option. Ground shipping typically involves shipping items using ground transportation such as trucks or trains. Air shipping, sometimes called expedited shipping. Air shipping is quicker than ground shipping but more expensive. It usually involves shipping products through an airline company specializing in air shipping goods. Sea shipping. This shipping method is perfect for large and heavy items, as it's the cheapest shipping option available when shipping overseas. It typically involves shipping goods via container ships or cargo vessels. Rail shipping. Rail shipping is a great alternative to ground shipping as it tends to be faster and more cost-effective. It typically involves shipping items by train and is usually used for heavy cargo.